Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by creating or signing into your Kia account and confirming your email. This links identity to the car. Once done, open the Kia Connect app and allow location, Bluetooth, and notifications so features work. Make sure you have the Sonet VIN and registration accessible. The app will prompt for VIN entry or QR scan. With the vehicle ignition off and your phone's Bluetooth on, tap Add Vehicle to start the pairing handshake and request the activation OTP. You'll enter the VIN or scan the QR code and request an OTP. This confirms ownership, so enter the code promptly. Next, follow the app prompts to pair Bluetooth and accept telematics requests on the Sonet's cluster. This enables data exchange. After successful pairing, tap Vehicle Settings in the app to enable remote features, alerts, and vehicle health monitoring. Also set a 4-6-digit PIN for secure remote commands, and allow background app refresh so updates arrive automatically. Finish by testing core commands, remote lock/unlock, horn/flash, and vehicle status. Perform each once and wait for confirmation to verify connectivity. Then set reminders for service, enable geofence or speed alerts if needed, and review scheduled trip history. If a command fails, try this single most effective fix. Restart the app and the car's ignition, then recheck phone permissions and cellular signal. If problems persist, confirm your Kia Connect subscription is active and repair the vehicle following the earlier steps.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.